Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel with some more cast iron cooking. Skinless, boneless chicken breast with sweet baby rays, sweet and spicy. Fried potatoes, fried cabbage, sauteed onions in vegetable oil. First, then added the potatoes with the skins on and cabbage, potatoes, onion, and large cast iron on a hot plate. Deep large skillet with chicken breast, sweet baby rays, sweet and spicy. Aging whiskey and some barrels, cast iron cooking. Cast iron pan here. Another cast iron skillet here, 8-inch. Cast iron pot. Cast iron cooking. Sweet baby rays, barbecue chicken, fried potatoes, cabbage, onion. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click like on the video. I'd appreciate that. And I'll be back with something else. Camping, fishing, cooking, metal detecting, camp cooking, truck camping. I'll be doing something. Have a good day now. I'll be back.